Hello, everyone. This is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia. And today we're on the campus at Homes of Fredonia, and we're filming a couple different homes, and you have to check it out around here. There is a bunch of homes here to look at. There is about 15 homes here to look at between this side of the campus and the other side. About $2 million in homes on display. So there's the office over there. So there's a whole nother side of this campus on the other side of that office. But right now, we are focusing on one of the latest additions to the campus here, which is this modular home. This home is 1,400 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Really cool floor plan and layout. Never really seen anything like this before, so I'm excited to get you inside. And here we are. And sorry about the smoke detectors. They're just kind of going off in this one because of whatever I did with the power. So cool kind of shiplap entryway with the coat hooks drilled right into it. Really cool look. This whole house has a really cool look to it. And I've really never seen a floor plan like this before. So I'm excited to go through the house here. And just a huge open living area in this house. You can see it on the floor plan in the beginning of this video, how massive this living area is inside this home. Nice big island. Really big cabinets and some nice options. Nice tile work behind on the backsplash. And check this out. Check out where the microwave is. This is really cool. All the cabinets and everything are soft close inside this home. So because we're over here already, I'm going to show you this end of the home. Here is the utility room back here, so side door. And full washer dryer setup here with storage, electric panel, and really cool countertop, cabinetry, and sink setup in here. So working our way to the other side of the home now. Nice big spot there for a TV. And there's the master, but I'm going to hide it and we're going to save it for the end of the video. So we're going to call this bedrooms 2 and 3 in the back. And here is the secondary bathroom. So this has got some really nice that tile work back there and tub shower combo. And it's a big one. It kind of looks like one of the extended larger tub shower combos. Nice backsplash work behind this sink as well. So some nice touches in this home. And across the hallway here from this bathroom is basement stairwell. So this home is ready to go on a basement. And then we'll call this one bedroom 2. So good size secondary bedrooms in this house, and they both have walk-in closets as well. So bedroom number 3. It's definitely nice for the secondary bedrooms to have the walk-in closets. So get you another angle from over here. Just a really cool layout. And once again, I apologize about the smoke detectors that are chirping there. I don't know what to do about that. So here we are in the master. So once again, wait until you see this master bathroom. I'm going to show you this walk-in closet first. So huge walk-in closet with some awesome storage here. Everything's soft close. So a whole separate room, and it's got the door on the rail here. So sorry about those smoke detectors. So we have a barn door that closes the closet off. And last but not least, we have the master bathroom with 4x6 tiled shower, black tile, really slick looking. And that is a rainfall shower head and normal shower head with 2 separate nozzles in here. So super nice option, and it's got this granite surrounding it as well. This is really nice. And then of course we have the double lav sinks. So really cool setup in this house. And being that 1,400 square foot range, it has everything you need, but can also serve as that very economical option, and goes on a full basement, remember. So you have a whole nother section of your home under this. So as always, if you want more information, either come on down and walk through and tour the homes, or just give a call and the consultants can get you really good information that you're looking for, answer those important questions without it being, an intimidating process or anything like that. So 716-673-1366, or stop on down and walk through all these houses. 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York. And make sure you like and subscribe, because we're going to keep these video tours coming. And we film installs. So these homes actually being craned on, flying through the air, and craned onto their foundations. So it's all happening on this channel. So like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.